Hello everyone, welcome to Crash Chronicles, where we showcase 50 unbelievable moments on the road that you won't believe. Turn on your best audio setup for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's go! I have never seen such a stupid collision. Maybe one of the cars ran a red light and caused this collision. The idiot in the car suddenly backed up and collided with the car behind. It seems that the driver in the car behind was also surprised by this collision.
Okay, the reminder is set tomorrow 9 a.m.
They were taking a little stroll there on Somerset Beach, which I'm sure is lovely.
Yep.
And they saw something weird. They were toward Linnell, so I guess they're connected.
The rear-end collision was caused by the driver's inattention, and he did not know that there was a traffic jam ahead.
Yeah.
And they saw something interesting on the seawall here.
Son of a...
Make sure both the front and back are clear before changing lanes to avoid unexpected collisions. The idiot in the car caused an accident with his own car because he was distracted and hit the car in the next lane. The pickup truck driver ran a red light at full speed and collided with a car crossing the road. The collision caused both cars to be completely damaged. The ambulance got into trouble because of a car running a red light. No one else was injured, but the driver of the car will be held responsible for his stupid actions.
And there would be proof of your ownership. Where? On the blockchain. Oh, I know what the blockchain is. You do? 100%, yeah. I mean,
Was the driver in that car really stupid?
I feel like you probably have some 90s-based misunderstanding.
Oh my God, look at that!
The car collided with the car next to it when changing lanes, causing the car to lose control and run out of the lane.
Hey, right here?
Which car do you think is responsible for this collision? Pay attention and slow down when going through intersections.
God damn.
The car changed lanes without looking and collided with the car in the next lane.
Something else had died. Sorry, buddy.
What happened to the two cars? The idiot in the black car did not pay attention to the traffic jam ahead and drove straight into the cars in front. Perhaps both drivers were unaware of the other's presence and could not avoid it in time. The car lost control and crashed because the driver was driving too fast to change lanes. Do you think the car was at fault in this case? Thank you for watching Idiots in Cars. Which moment shocked you the most? Have you ever witnessed something like this on the road? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay safe out there.